Hey, what's up everybody? How are you guys doing today? Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and if you are new here, my name's Tobias and welcome to Microphone Mondays, where I upload new microphone reviews and comparisons every Monday. And today what I have for you guys is a review of the brand new TONOR TC40. And the audio that you're actually hearing right now is coming from the TC40. I have it set up right here in front of me on my desk. And TONOR is actually saying that this is one of the best budget microphones that you can buy right now. So they're talking a pretty big game. And we're going to test this microphone out and see if that's true. If we take a look at the Amazon page, it's going for $69.99 right now. It looks like it usually goes for $89.99. So you're getting $20 off right now. And I'll go ahead and put the link to this Amazon page down in the description below in case you'd like to check it out for yourself. And this is a USB condenser microphone studio bundle kit. I've reviewed many of these kinds of kits on my channel in the past, and they usually come with the microphone, the boom arm stand, and some accessories. And in this video, I'll show you a quick unboxing, I'll tell you a bit about the mic, then I'll do several different audio tests so that we can see how the microphone performs, and in the end, I'll give you my final review of the TONOR TC40. And if at any point, if you decide that you do like this video or if it helps you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. And let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. And as you can see here, it comes with the microphone, a boom arm, which I really love, and it looks like it is the TONOR T20 boom arm stand, which on its own, if you were to buy it separately, has a value of $37. And it's a great boom arm stand. I've had one for a while now, and I use it on a daily basis. Then there is the shock mount, which screws right into the bottom of the microphone, a pop filter which attaches to the shock mount, which I think is really cool because usually these kinds of microphone bundle kits come with a generic pop filter that you have to clamp onto the stand, and then you kind of have to bend the pop filter into position, and sometimes it can be a bit difficult to do, but I like how this one attaches directly to the shock mount, and if you are to move the stand around, the pop filter will still be in front of the microphone, which is really convenient. Then of course there is the USB cable and 4 Velcros to help you to manage the USB cable. And of course, the user manual. One thing that I noticed right off the bat is that the microphone itself is actually quite large and seems to have a decent amount of weight to it. And it's made out of metal. The entire kit was easy to put together, and my computer recognized the microphone as soon as I plugged it in. The microphone has a gain knob on the front, which controls your input volume, and if you are to push the gain knob, it will mute the microphone. And on the back of the microphone, there is a headphone jack for zero latency monitoring. If we take a look at the frequency response inside the user manual, it looks like the frequency response is fairly even, although it kind of slopes upwards from the lows to the highs, and then kind of tapers off after 10K. Although I don't actually feel like this microphone lacks in the highs, and I actually feel like the highs are a bit stronger than the lows. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And now I'm going to do several different audio tests so we can see how the TC40 performs. The first thing I'm going to do is take a listen to the noise floor, so I'm going to stop talking for a few seconds, try to listen to see if you can hear like an underlying hiss noise. And right now I'm tapping on my computer's keyboard directly behind the TC40. And right now I'm tapping on my desk around the TC40. And right now I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the TONOR TC40. And right now I'm kind of yelling from about 3 feet away from the TC40. Okay guys, so I went back and listened to the audio that I just recorded, and I gotta say, the TC40 seems to have a pretty low noise floor. Pretty much all USB microphones are going to have some kind of a noticeable noise floor, and I feel like the TC40 had a pretty low noise floor, especially when compared to the volume that it picks up my voice at. And when it comes to the zero latency monitoring on the mic, I actually thought it sounded pretty good. On some microphones, when you plug your headphones into the headphone jack on the mic, it doesn't actually sound that good sometimes, but I felt like the headphone jack on the TC40 actually sounded pretty good. And I love how the front of the microphone has that gain knob to control your input volume, and how if you push that knob, it actually doubles as a mute button. I think that is a really cool design, and I actually think that my voice sounds really crisp and clean with this microphone. On top of that, I just love the overall design and how the pop filter fits right into the shock mount, and how the boom arm is the TONOR T20, which is a really great boom arm stand. And all around, I think the mic sounds great. I think the setup is excellent, and that it's totally worth the price. Right now it's going for $70. I think usually it goes for $90. Even if it was $90 right now, I think that is a great deal for this setup. And it's actually been a while since I've been this satisfied with a mic review, so major props to TONOR on the TC40. I think they did a great job with it. And I can say with confidence that it probably is one of the best budget USB mics that you can buy right now. And once again, I will go ahead and put the Amazon link to the TC40 down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. And if you did like this video, or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out tremendously. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Mondays are the days dedicated to microphones. Wednesdays, I post videos on any topic, and then Fridays are Fish Fridays, where I upload aquarium, pond, fish videos. My channel is a smorgasbord of different topics, so I strongly encourage you to check it out. If you like what you see there, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!